Your car is being held back on purpose. It sounds crazy, but after 23 years of working on vehicles, I can tell you, manufacturers do not want your car performing at its true potential. Because the weaker your car runs, the more often you end up back at the dealership. Today, I'm exposing 10 underground tricks mechanics use but dealerships never mention. And at the end, I'll reveal the $8 trick that helped my truck reach 412,000 miles without a single rebuild. Let's break the silence. Number 10. The tire pressure truth. Most drivers think the number printed on their door jamb is the best tire pressure. It isn't. That number is chosen for comfort, not performance. Manufacturers assume your car is fully loaded with 5 people and luggage, but 89% of trips are with 1 or 2 people. That means your tires run too soft, slowing acceleration, dulling steering, and wasting fuel. The fix? Add 3 to 5 psi above the door sticker recommendation for daily driving. Your handling tightens up, the car feels lighter, and fuel economy increases instantly. Number 9. The throttle body carbon purge. By 50,000 miles, most cars have carbon buildup on the throttle body. This sticky black layer confuses sensors and restricts airflow. Dealership cost? $340 for cleaning. Mechanic cost? An $8 can of throttle body cleaner and 15 minutes. Remove the intake tube, spray the valve, gently scrub and wipe. The engine runs smoother, idles better, and responds faster. Number 8. The MAF sensor cleaning trick. Dust buildup on the MAF sensor causes incorrect air readings. The engine overfuels, burns more gas, and loses power. Dealerships sell a new sensor for $180 to $250, but most sensors are just dirty. The fix? $7 MAF cleaner. Unplug sensor, spray, let air dry, and reinstall. Immediately smoother acceleration and better MPG. Number 7. The resetting the ECU after buying a used car. Most people never reset the ECU after buying a used car, so the car runs based on the previous owner's driving habits. If they drove gently, your car will feel sluggish. If they drove aggressively, it may feel jumpy. The fix? Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes. Idle the car afterward for 10 minutes. Drive normally and let the ECU relearn your driving style. The transformation can be dramatic. Number 6. The Italian tune-up. Short trips cause carbon buildup inside the engine. This buildup slowly kills your power. Dealerships charge $400 to $600 for carbon cleaning. The real mechanic method: once every 2 weeks, drive at 3,500 to 4,000 RPM for 15 minutes on the highway. This burns off carbon naturally. Engines feel stronger, smoother, and more responsive afterward. Number 5. The spark plug gap secret. Most spark plugs come with incorrect gaps from the factory. Manufacturers set them for emissions, not performance. A slightly tighter gap produces a stronger spark and better combustion. The fix? Use a $4 gap tool. Set the gap to the low end of the recommended spec, just slightly tighter. Smoother idle, improved throttle response, and even better fuel economy. Number 4. The lie about oil change intervals. Manufacturers claim 10,000-mile oil changes are fine, but 87% of real-world driving is severe conditions. Oil breaks down much sooner. Following the long interval causes sludge, timing chain wear, and engine noise. The fix? Conventional oil every 5,000 miles. Synthetic oil every 6,000 to 7,000 miles. A little extra maintenance saves thousands in engine repairs later. Number 3. The hidden restriction in factory air filters. Factory air filters are intentionally restrictive. Why? Because a quieter intake makes the car feel more luxury during test drives. But that quietness costs you horsepower. The fix? Swap to a high-flow filter like K&N or AEM. It allows 30 to 50% more air into the engine. You'll feel sharper throttle response, faster acceleration, and smoother performance instantly. Number 2. True fuel injector cleaning. Most fuel injectors aren't worn out. They're dirty. But dealerships jump straight to replacement, $600 to $1,200. The mechanic method? Use a concentrated cleaner like Techron. Run the engine directly on the cleaning solution through the fuel rail. The engine may smoke for a few seconds and then suddenly smooth out. Fuel economy and acceleration return quickly. Number 1. The transmission fluid lifetime myth. Lifetime fluid is the biggest lie in the auto industry. Lifetime means lifetime of the warranty, not lifetime of the car. Most transmissions fail around 90,000 miles if the fluid is never changed. The fix? Change transmission fluid every 30,000 to 40,000 miles. Do a drain and fill, not a flush. This simple step can double your transmission's lifespan and save you $4,000 to $5,000. These 10 tricks cost less than $500 total, but can prevent more than $15,000 in future repairs. I've used them on over 4,100 vehicles. Cars maintained this way often reach 200,000 miles without any major issues. Cars following manufacturer recommendations alone? They average around 97,000 miles before major problems. If you really want to double your engine's life, there's one monthly ritual that beats all 10 tips combined. Click the next video on your screen because missing that simple ritual can cost you years of engine life.